So in this video, we are going to see how to remove the water molecules in the PDB, protein data bank. For example, I downloaded a protein called 1AKI. If you see the red dots, they are the water molecules out it. In the PyMOL tool, there is an option called sequence where you can see at the right bottom. Once you click, you can see the oxygen molecules visible. Generally, hydrogen won't be visible in Python. Only oxygen will be visible. That you can select using your mouse. Once you have selected, you can right click and remove. This is one of the options. There is also another option where you can go to actions, which is in PyMOL. Then there is an option for removing waters. So either way, you can remove the waters. Once everything is done, then you can save the protein without waters just by clicking File, Export Structure, Export Molecule, and without disturbing any default options, save as it is. Thank you.